Fix in 5. Let's decode P0483. Cooling fan rationality check, circuit malfunction or sensor failure. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Engine overheating or running hot, cooling fan not engaging at appropriate temperature, inconsistent fan operation, check engine light illuminated. Now the most likely causes. Defective cooling fan motor. Faulty coolant temperature sensor. Cooling fan relay failure. Wiring harness or connector issues in fan circuit. Engine control module ECM malfunction. How to fix it. Replace cooling fan motor if defective. Replace coolant temperature sensor if out of range. Replace cooling fan relay if non-functional. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €35, €120 doing it yourself, or €155, €240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0483 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0483 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0483. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.